Imagine walking into a house that's not only attractive, but it transports you into a sense of wellness, it supports your lifestyle, and it points to the future. Well, today's home design trends are really transforming living spaces into those tailored sanctuaries that prioritize sustainability, technology, and flexibility. Hi, my name is Kelly Domaille of Domaille Real Estate. Are you ready to learn about the top home improvement and design trends of 2025 that can elevate your quality of living and leave permanent value in your home? Well, if you're already passionate about these concepts, don't forget to like this video. Please follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're just considering doing some of these upgrades yourself or even buying or selling, please contact us at Domaille Real Estate and we're going to guide you all along the way. Hello, everyone. I'm Kelly Domaille, and my husband and I are the owners of Domaille Real Estate here at eXp Realty in Rochester, Minnesota. Now, sustainability is at the forefront of design in 2025, but what does that actually mean for your home? Well, you can start with materials. Think reclaimed wood for shelving or accent walls, maybe some recycled glass for countertops, or even eco-friendly bamboo flooring. These are all beautiful and durable choices that you can either install yourself or with the help of a local contractor. Maybe you want to improve your air quality. You can swap out chemical-heavy paints for low VOC options. You just need to check the label at your local paint or hardware store. And don't forget about appliances. There are energy-efficient dishwashers, washers, or dryers that are widely available, and they often come with some rebates. Now, these changes not only are going to reduce your carbon footprint, but they can also lower your utility bills. So imagine a house that looks great and saves you money every month. Kind of a no-brainer. Now, the integration of smart technology is really reshaping the way that we interact with our homes. But how do you get started with some smart home features without overcomplicating things? Well, you can begin with a simple smart plug. You can use these plugs to really control lamps or maybe your coffee maker, and you can do it right from your phone. Then you could look to install maybe a smart thermostat like a Nest or an Ecobee. These are really user-friendly, and they can actually save you hundreds of dollars a year in heating and cooling. Now, maybe you want to up your kitchen game. You can look at smart refrigerators and ovens that sync with your phone, and they help you manage your grocery list and even meal timing. And you can even add voice-activated lights or even video doorbells for that added security and convenience. Now, the beauty of smart home tech is that it's scalable. You can start with one little device like that smart plug, and you can build from there. But obviously, technology has its goods and bads. Your internet has to be reliable for a lot of these items. Now, there is growing demand for multi-purpose living spaces. With so many of us working remotely or juggling full households, how can you make the most of your square footage? Well, try converting your spare bedroom maybe into a dual-purpose space. Use a Murphy bed or a day bed for when you have guests and a fold-out desk for when you work. Now, in your living room, consider a modular sofa that separates for game night, or you can reconfigure it for movie night. You could add open shelving or tall bookshelves with storage baskets to help you tuck away all that clutter without sacrificing your style. Even those simple tweaks like rearranging furniture or adding wheels to a console table can really give your home that adaptive, multifunctional edge. Now, biophilic design is on the rise. Now, do you even know what that is? Because I didn't, and I actually had to do a little research. I was very unfamiliar with the term. So what it is it is design that honors the connection of human beings to the natural world. But how can you bring more of the outdoors inside without major renovation? Well, you could start by maximizing your natural light. Maybe remove those heavy drapes or even opt for some sheer curtains or blinds. You could add some potted plants to your kitchen, bathroom, and living spaces. There's a lot of plants like snake plants, pothos, and ZZ plants, which are super great and low maintenance, which I like. You could also install a small vertical garden or those living walls using stackable planters, and you can get those kits at your local garden center or even hardware store. You should also think about textures too. Using natural materials like jute, linen, or wood finishes are going to really bring some warmth and grounding into each room. Now, tile drenching, or the installment of the same tiles on walls and floors, is really causing a stir in interior design. Now, you might be wondering, does that really work? And especially maybe in a small space? Absolutely. This style creates a continuous, clean look that actually makes the room feel bigger. You can maybe try it in a bathroom using large matte porcelain tiles in a soft gray or a beige, and most big box stores will even cut the tiles for you. Just remember that you should measure twice before you cut and use a leveling system when you install this. And then obviously don't forget to seal the grout lines, and that will help keep everything really low maintenance. Now, if doing the floors and the walls feels like a lot to you, just start by maybe one accent wall. Use tile on the wall and extend it a little into the floor for a similar effect. Now, if you want more information about these new home trends or remodeling, or you just want some tips on implementing some of these, don't hesitate to reach out. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel and follow us on our socials so that you can stay up to date on the newest design trends. And if you liked this video, please hit the like button and don't hesitate to reach out with comments or questions. We'll make sure to answer all of those. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.